Hey everyone, I'm Jeremy Rodriguez, Product Manager for Leatherman Tool Group, and today I'm going to be walking you through the tools and features of the FREE K2 multi-purpose knife. The FREE K2 is a compact folding knife with versatility of a multi-tool. It has 8 different tools packed into its 4.5-inch frame, so it's a great choice for every day. The handles are shaped for comfort and made with aluminum with a ceramic coating. Each of the tools can be opened and closed with one hand thanks to FREE technology. The K2 also comes in a few different color options, weighs 4.9 ounces, and has a blade length of 3.3 inches. Now let's take a look at the tools featured in the FREE K2. Each of the tools on the K2 can be opened with one hand, including the straight edge knife blade. To open the knife blade, rotate the blade with your thumb until it locks into place. To close the knife blade, slide the lock over and stow the blade back into the handle. The other tools on the K2 include a package opener, pry tool, and medium screwdriver. There's also an extra small screwdriver, all Phillips screwdriver, and bottle opener. Each of these tools can be opened by pressing on the tools here. With the pad of your thumb, press on this point until the tools pop out of the handle. Pick the implement you want to use while stowing the others. The tools lock into place and can be unlocked and placed back into the handle after use. One more thing to note is that the pocket clip can be adjusted to carry in your right or left pocket. Simply remove the screws with a Torx No. 6 wrench and install the pocket clip on the opposite side. The FREE K2 is covered by a 25-year warranty. For more information about the FREE K2 or any of our multi-purpose products, visit us at leatherman.com.